He said, I was exploding from pain and discomfort. And also, he said, I was thinking the problem was in me, that I was naturally broken, defective. That my client today said about how he was feeling in childhood, what he was feeling from his parents. He is 46 today, still getting away from this mentality that that's something wrong with him, still getting away from enmeshment, which is that his personality, that he himself exists only in connection with his parents. Like what happens when they die? He stops to exist. Or maybe, I hope, the liberation happens and he becomes himself. He starts to exist. But can you imagine a child existing with this narrative, pain and discomfort, and yet thinking that something wrong with me, because constant shaming comes from those two people who are supposed to care the most, who are supposed to love you. A baby is born perfect, pure, in a family. To the two adults who are supposed to bring this baby up to the world in love and care, to nurture. And yet, sometimes, and very often, those two people are broken to the point that they cannot love. But the dynamic is that the baby grows up and as adult think that he is broken and defective because he wasn't loved, because he's something wrong with